Let's set up each different type of text inside of Fortnite. Starting off, we're going to grab everything that we need. Starting off, we've got the billboard device. This is simply just the text on the wall. Text on wall in brackets. We'll call this as billboard. Okay. We can change some settings here if we want a background or not. Most of the time, there's no background. You just add like an outline and shadow and just have it like chilling on the wall like this. The next two you can only see in game. We have the Hud Message Device. We have the pop-up message device. Let's go and look at those. The Hud Message Device will look like this. You just have to have it to activate from something. Hello, Hud Message Device. You choose if you want it for everyone or not, and when you want it to activate, and if you want it for time or not. If you want sound, you choose that here. Lots of things you can customize in here, but here's where you make it show from something. We'll add it to show from a button. So let's show hello from button, and then let's show the pop-up device. I don't think this will work because it's in a wall, so we'll have to use button 3. Pop-up dialogue device. Hello YouTube. Then again, we have to choose some settings here. Subscribe. Like the video. And then there's obviously lots of settings you can change, but we'll have this to show. Here we can choose if we want it for everyone or just ourselves. Show from button 3. Now let's go ahead and take a look at these in game, just so you can see them. You would have already seen them in the beginning of the video, but it's okay, I'll show you again. I clearly need to change this game start timer, that's a very long time. So here we see the billboards. Hello, Hud Message Device. And then we have this one which has options. Pop-up dialogue device, subscribe, like the video. So with that being done, subscribe, like the video. I have a course first link in the description, and use code GISMO to help me keep creating maps and videos.